Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and this quick unboxing of this Alato Arvet. Now it arrived like this because DHL apparently wanted to search the package a bit, but I just wanted to show you anyways the attention to detail with the logo, with the name on the sticker, with the paper, sorry headphone users, paper with the logo on. It's just like nice attention to details. So I'm gonna move this out of the way and open up so it doesn't annoy you headphone users too much. And in the outer paper we have plastic sleeve, we have Alato. We hope you're satisfied with your buy. I guess, I don't know if English buyers will get it in English, but here it's in Sweden. Best regards, Alato klockor. Now I did make a review of the prototype, go check it out if you want to, but I know Pierre made some changes for the finished product, so it's gonna be interesting checking it out. There we go, Alato. Nice little texture, really vintage vibe to the outer box. Clean. Inside of it we do have a Alato Arvet automatic. Yeah, pretty much what the outer one said, but in English. A little thank you note is always a nice little touch. And inside of the box some stuff fell out. What do we have? I guess a cleaning cloth and a nice warranty card. Yeah, cool. More plastic. Be right back. Yeah, remember this. It arrives in a nice little travel pouch. Feels high quality. Swedish knot up here with the colors of the Swedish flag. Alato is a Swedish brand close to where I live. Pierre lives here in the west coast of Sweden, so do I. Nice guy. Go check them out. Here's the watch itself. Is there anything else in here? No, but it's really nice, high quality. Always good with some goodies. But here's the star of the show, the watch itself. And more plastic. So let's do another jump cut. And here we go, let's save the final little sticker for camera. And here we have it, Alato Arvet. Now the light fluctuates a bit, I use daylight as a source. And well, the weather is interesting in Sweden to say the least. But look at that dial. Now a thing that immediately stands out, this is the first release from Alato. But the quality is up there with like people's or brands second, third, fourth watch. It's really no sharp edges anywhere, feels like. No roughness. Oh, there we have the loomed rotor. But star of the show really is that dial. I chose the burgundy with gilt hands and indices. 38mm watch, powered by a, I think it's a Miyota 9015. High beat movement. We have a on the fly adjustment. Some on the fly has, geez, that's a lot of. Let's see. Yeah, that's a lot of adjustment actually. Some of these have the pretty annoying push button. This has the one to the side. Really nice. Interesting crown. Screw in. Winds. Very nice. How does it bite back in? A bit stiff. Maybe we'll loosen up. There we go. Nice. A lot of depth. really cool. Now I will do a review in a couple of weeks. If you're really curious about the Alato Arvet until then, go check out the review of the prototype. But this is how it's gonna wear on my roughly 17 centimeter wrist. Plenty of links to spare, and for my wrist I dare say it wears great. Flat, pretty straight case shape, but those interesting lugs makes it lie flat on my wrist anyways. And yeah, nice combination of brushing, polishing, interesting lugs, the story of the Alato and the reason behind the shape of everything you can see in my other review or read on their website. And that's it for this time, guys. Until next time, take care, stay safe, and bye bye.